left my homeland, a suitcase and a prayer. Crossed the borders, breathing unfamiliar air. In this crowded city, I'm a ghost in the stone, living in the shadows, completely alone. Then she walked into my world, a vision in white, an angel in the daytime, a guiding star at night. She climbed the ladders high, so successful and bright, while I was just a traveler trying to find the light. But we walked different paths under different skies, torn apart by the gods in our family's eyes. We loved with a fire that the world couldn't tame, but we had to move on, leaving only the pain. Yeah, we went our own ways, though our hearts stayed the same. Now she's conquering the world, reaching for the sun, and I'm just a runner whose race is already run. I'm dead but not die, just a hollow breathing shell, caught between a heaven and this lonely earthly hell. Tired of the hustle, tired of the human race, tired of the judgment in every single face. But we walk different paths under different skies, torn apart by the gods in our family's eyes. We love with a fire that the world couldn't tame, but we had to move on, leaving only the pain. Yeah, we went our own ways, though our hearts stayed the same. So I leave the concrete, I leave the neon glow. Deep into the jungle is the only place I know, where the trees don't ask about the faith in my head, and the wind doesn't care about the tears that I've shed. Overnight and in the wild, under canopy and stars, beside a crackling fire that heals all my scars. Away from the fairgrounds, away from the noise, I can still hear the whisper of her beautiful voice. She's shining out there, a star in the sky, while I'm down in the dirt, just wondering why. But we walk different paths under different skies, torn apart by the gods in our family's eyes. We love with a fire that the world couldn't tame, but we had to move on, leaving only the pain. Yeah, we went our own way, always the same. Dead but not died, just waiting for the night to subside. Escape from any harm. Lost my way back a few years. But sometimes you gotta start new beginnings, like moving across the country, man, without a position. But it's my life. Don't wanna be on my deathbed thinking twice.
is here. Tonight we celebrate. Go out and raise a drink. I know that life can be hard, but I know we'll be okay. I ain't got it like that just yet. You ready, snatch you out. My bad, I made my bad. Long nights, but I can't. Let the good times roll on a summer night. Tonight we celebrate.